Happy New Year, everyone. My first video of 2026 is here after almost 2 months. And today I'm going to be unboxing 9 Hot Wheels cars. Hope you all enjoy this as I open them up to present to you. And of course, there's 2 of you I've seen before, but for those of you who haven't seen it, you're about to see it. Now, here's the first car I got, and this is the black Audi 90 Quattro. This came in the last case of the year, 2025, for Hot Wheels. And I'm not a fan of this car, but this is a nice version. I'm going to be honest with you. I always see that every time I go to Walmart. I was thinking about, should I get this? And I really like the top to it. It looks very nice. So I decided that I'm going to get it. Let's open it up. You're going to... There it is. Here it is. Wow, I'm finally happy to open this and present it to you guys. Look at that. Looks very nice. I love this so much. Pitch black, gray, white, and red stripes. Awesome. 25. That was the year when it came out. Leave that aside. Now, the next car I'm gonna present to you guys is one that I got in December of 2025. Same year when I got a 5-pack you'll be seeing pretty soon. It is the Hyper Speeders 17 Acura in this. Oh, just a minute. Black 17 Acura NSX. Looks very nice, doesn't it? Pitch black. I'm so happy that I got this. I've seen the Hyper Speeders, and I was glad to get this December. Let's open it up. It's my favorite version of this car. I'm not a fan of it. Second real car in a row. Here it is. There it is, you guys. Looks awesome. Alright. Put that away. Now, the only car that isn't a Maisto is this, I'm sure you've seen this Maisto Black Buick. I've been waiting to get this. The Walmart that I've been going to apparently has the same old Maistos, and yet this was different. Apparently I found this at near the Hot Wheels. Got this on Christmas Eve. So happy I finally got this. And when I get this in Maisto packaging, I definitely will keep it packaged. I'm going to open this up. Here it is. I'm finally so happy that I opened this Maisto up. Here it is, you guys. Looks very nice. So happy that I have this. The only Maisto that's the only car that is not a Hot Wheels that I have in my collection. Next up, 2 that I got on Christmas of 2025. Evil Twin from 2005. I was looking at Evil Twin's Wikipedia page, and I realized this really is my favorite version of Evil Twin, and I'm really going to get this. And I got it for Christmas. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Yeah, you guys can obviously tell black is my favorite color. And here it is. The black Evil Twin from 2005. Here it is, you guys. Low Rider. Yep. Here you guys already know it's a Low Rider. It's very awesome. So happy that I got that. Next up is 2015 Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Buick Grand National. Of course, you saw my comparison video with the Maisto. Hope you guys enjoy that one. Now you're going to see me opening this up. I noticed this in it also. Don't know why that had to be there. But here's the Buick Grand National Hot Wheels Fast and the Furious. Looks very awesome. I love it. And the Buick Grand National Hot Wheels used to have an opening hood, but not anymore, and this is just one of them. There you go. No, the next one is the only car from 2021 that I have. First release of the Mercedes-Benz 500e from 2021 in black. Looks awesome. So happy that I got this. I'll be doing a comparison video with the black 2013 different Mercedes. It's an A9 Type 1. So I'm gonna open this up. Here it is. Looks awesome. Mercedes-Benz 500e. Love this release from 2021. 2021 had a lot of good cars, and this was just one of them. Of course, you guys saw the other free in my last two unboxing videos. And here's one that came out the year after, and that's this 94 Audi Advent RS2. Very awesome, nice release. It also had a Super Treasure Hunt version that same year, 2022. Happy to have this, and it's not anymore. Let's open it up. Here it is. The Audi Avant. I know this car is good for downhill racing. And it would have been nice to see this racing the downhill. Yep, there's that Audi. Alright, if you guys kept count, that was 7 so far. Now, we got 2 more. Here's Street Cleaver. This was, what I noticed about the Street Cleaver, that it's the final release of the year. It even says Case Q. As you see it, Case Q. It's even the last car, the 22, from the 2011 video game Hero series. But here it is, Street Cleaver. Awesome. This was the first ever version I saw of Street Cleaver, and this really was indeed my favorite version of Street Cleaver. This is the only black car you're going to see so far. There's one more. Oh yeah, Street Cleaver has a little wheelie bar, but I'm not going to pull that down today. So, sorry guys. And now we have one more, and that's the 2021 Flying Custom 68 El Camino. I got this on Tuesday. It says 68 on there. That was the year Hot Wheels first started. And this really was a car that I needed from 2021, but it's not in the basics. Really awesome release. I'm going to open this up. Engine's a little loose, but it's no worries. 68 El Camino, there it is. So, here are all the cars that I unboxed. Which one was your favorite that I unboxed? Let me know in the comments. Hope you all are having a good 2026. and I will. Hope to see you guys for more this year. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.